Edo State Task Force don demolish one house wey dey College Road for Aduwawa, Benin City, where dem say the house get connection to one notorious kidnap gang. The house na property of one woman wey her younger brother, Osamede Asemota, na one of the main leaders of the gang. Asemota dey under police custody now, and he don confess how he dey involved for the kidnapping. He tok say he make 350,000 naira from their last operation. According to Ram, dem kidnap one woman from her shop for Ramat Park, come carry her go bush for Agbo roadside, where he for stay with her there for 2 days till when his friends bring his share of the ransom money. The gang get 5 members, and dem don do plenty kidnappings for Aduwawa, Enya, and Auchi bypass area of Benin City. Police talk say the house wey dem demolish na the place where the gang dey use hold meeting and plan their bad work. Asemota's sister wey get the house dey live for abroad, and she no know wetin her brother dey do. When dem ask Asemota how im feel say im sister don lose the house sake of him, he talk say e pain am well, and he no know how she go feel when she hear this matter sake of say na she dey support him. Asemota come yarn say im feel bad say im involve im sister property for this kind wahala.
So I meet them for Ramat Park. As I meet them for Ramat Park, from there, come out, we go where the person dey now we take Karam. Karam now we go where they keep am for Agbo Road bypass. Now I did there for evening. Then the next morning, now they come out, they leave them. So it happen. I don't know the actual amount where they call it. 350 they give me. Community now for and your community who for they do community matter. No, not being one boy now call me, LB now call me. So make I meet them for Ramat Park. Okay. Now this is why I follow them go down there. I not working out before. Now last month, February, now they do my pa burial. My pa late, so they do the burial. I was supposed to go to Lagos before this matter happened. And my senior sister house. You know the Nigeria here, confused.
Another suspect, Marketari from Delta State, also don land for police hand. He talk say he collect 1 million naira as his own share, but sake of greed, he come back to Benin and na there dem gbab am. Police still discover say the gang first asked for 8 million naira ransom from their victim, then later add 3 million naira extra, even threaten say them go kidnap the woman again if she no pay.
Now one of my friend, Osaige, I call me for this business. So as he call me, we don't do the work, finish this woman work. So do and finish. Now I take go. So now Osaige come tell me that they say the woman promised her that if he come out, he will pay her 3 million naira. So now there Osaige call me. I take come again for this one, say they arrest me. So that one has 6 million. My own 1 million I arrest me, will be 5.
Edo State Task Force talk say this demolition na warning to anybody wey dey do or plan to do bad things for the state. Say Edo State government dey serious to clear crime comot for the area and show say anybody wey break law go face serious wahala. Authorities talk say any property wey dem use for crime go face the same punishment. Say dem no dey look who gets the place. This na part of the plan wey government put for ground to make the state safe for everybody. The Edo State government don talk say dem no go stop this fight, and dem still beg people make dem support and work with security agencies. This incident show say crime fit bring serious wahala, not just for the person wey do am, but also for im family and community. This na reminder say everybody need join hands stop crime and support people wey don suffer for the hand of bad people. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Kata Ojesele, TMC News.